Hey there, friend. We have a set with just one thing inside it, the number one. Our job is to find every little group we can make from this set. Let's do it together. So, what is a subset? Think of it like a bag of toys. A subset is any smaller bag you can make using toys from the big bag. You can even have a bag with nothing inside, and the whole bag counts too. Here is a cool trick. If our set has one thing inside, we use 2 to the power of 1. That gives us 2. So we need to find exactly 2 subsets. Our first subset is the empty set. That means a group with nothing inside it at all. Every set in the world always has an empty subset. Think of it like an empty lunchbox. There is nothing inside, but the box is still there. Our second subset is the set itself, just the number 1 in curly brackets. Every set is always a subset of itself too. It is like saying the whole bag of toys is also a group from the back. We did it. The set with just the number 1 has exactly 2 subsets. The first one is the empty set and the second one is the set itself. Great job, friend.